Good morning, grade 5. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Our topic today is quadrilaterals. The objectives of today: how can we classify quadrilaterals? The definition or the description of each type of quadrilaterals. Now we will start with the definition of quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a two-dimensional figure formed by four line segments. They are connecting to each other and intersecting exactly two others. And it has four sides and four angles. Now, I want you please to look around you. Do you see shapes that could be formed a quadrilateral? Just take a few seconds. For me, I can see a window that formed from four sides and it has four angles. So I can consider the window as a quadrilateral. During the lesson, we'll talk about different types of quadrilaterals. The first one is parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, and trapezoid. Let's start with the first quadrilateral. It has four sides and it has four angles. In the parallelogram, each two pairs opposite to each other are parallel and congruent. So in a parallelogram, each two sides opposite to each other are parallel and congruent. Look at the second quadrilateral. I'm sure all of you recognize that shape. This is a square. Great. A square is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. If I say the square is a parallelogram, that means each two sides opposite to each other are parallel and congruent. But the square is a special figure. It has four congruent sides and also four right angles. So a square is a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four right angles. Look at the first figure. It's called a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram. That means each two sides opposite to each other are parallel and congruent. It has also 4 right angles. So a rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Look at the second figure. It has 4 sides. So this is another type of quadrilateral. It's called a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. That means all of the sides of a rhombus are equal to each other. Now we want to talk about the last quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, we can see we have exactly one pair of parallel sides, and it's formed from 4 sides. So this quadrilateral, it has a special name. We can call this quadrilateral a trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. At the end of the lesson, I want you please try to finish this quiz. Take about 2 minutes to draw 5 different shapes that you think could be classified as a quadrilateral. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you so much, grade 5.